Today we'll learn how to graph the equation y equals 1/3 x using a table of values. Let's start by writing our equation. The first step is to create a table of values. We'll choose x values from -3 to +3 and calculate the corresponding y values by plugging each x value into our equation. Let's fill in our y values one by one. When x is -3, y equals -1. When x is -2, y equals -2/3. When x is -1, y equals -1/3. When x is 0, y equals 0. When x is 1, y equals 1/3. When x is 2, y equals 2/3. And when x is 3, y equals 1. Now that we have our table of values, let's plot these points on a coordinate system. We'll set up our axes with appropriate scaling. Let's plot each point from our table. Now that we have our points plotted, we can see they form a straight line. Let's connect these points to complete our graph. Notice that the line passes through the origin, which makes sense since when x is 0, y is also 0. Let's observe some important characteristics of this line. The slope is 1/3, which means for every 3 units we move up 1 unit. We can see this pattern throughout our graph. In conclusion, we've successfully graphed y equals 1/3 x by creating a table of values, plotting the points, and connecting them with a straight line. This method can be used to graph any linear equation. Remember that the slope 1/3 tells us how steep the line is, and since this is a positive slope, our line goes up from left to right.